Yo, what's good? Can't spin this camera today. Before we get into this, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Y'all know what to do. Let's get back into this beaut. We have the 5D Mark II Classic. This came out 18 years ago. Oh, I guess you could say 17. Or actually, yeah, 17 years ago. Special me. But this camera took the world by storm because it was the first full frame camera to shoot HD, full HD video. Not a lot of companies could say that. I'm filming this on a Monday, and this was on my bench that got taken in over the weekend. I want to show people what type of stuff just walks in through the door. So I guess welcome to the episode of What's on My Bench. Alright, so we have a shutter mirror shifted came loose. Shutter mirror shifted came loose. These are the type of code words that I have to deal with. What's on my bench? And another thing, I hate straps. Don't bring your camera in with straps to be repaired. You know what I'm saying? Like, but we're gonna leave it on because I have a feeling this is gonna be super chill. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I kind of figured it was the focus screen. People freak out and they're like, oh my god, my shutter, my... This is the focus screen that goes under the prism. Basically, we're gonna put back the focus screen correctly and clean the focus screen. Now, there is a tab right here. You are supposed to just operate off that tab. You don't even want to touch. You can clean the focus screen. I just don't like touching it in general. We're gonna clean out the mirror box. We're gonna set this down right chill. We're gonna look in the mirror box, make sure everything right there is good and chilling and willing and dealing. Yeah, your prism looks clean. Give it a little blow. A little blow never hurt nobody. Alright, so it looks like the tab is going to be on the right side. There's a slot right here for it. We're operating from the tab. Remember, people, from the tab. And you're going to set it right up in there. Then you're just going to give a little push on the bar. And, yeah. That's it. Thank you for your money. I really do appreciate it. Doing a great job. Alright. Let's make sure this mirror box is clapping. We all the way live. You know what I'm talking about? That was a nice, cool, easy what's on my bench. Stay tuned for next time on What's on My Bench. I don't know, that was probably corny. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Thanks for tuning in on the first episode of What's on My Bench. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no